Short answers. Question number 1. Why do we need to study the past? Answer. The study of the past is important to understand the present. History is the study of the past and the story of people who lived in earlier times. Since history is a continuous story of one event leading to another, therefore it is important to study the past to understand the present. Question number 2. How have the Himalayas helped in shaping the history of India? Answer. The Himalaya mountains in the north act as a natural barrier between India and Central Asia. The passes in these mountains have acted as routes of contact since ancient times. Soldiers, merchants, traders, travelers, scholars have often crossed these passes and traveled from one place to another. They have brought new ideas, customs, habits that have made our culture richer. Question number 3. How is the work of an archaeologist and a historian similar to that of a detective? Answer. Archaeologists and historians study the remains of people which they left behind. The work of an archaeologist and a historian is similar to that of a detective. Just as a detective solves a mystery with the help of clues, archaeologists and historians solve the mystery of the past with the help of historical clues such as a piece of writing, a wall painting, broken pots. Next, give long answers for the following question. First question, why did people first settle near river valleys? Answer, people first settled near river valleys because of the following reasons. The river provided sufficient water for all their needs. The land near river was very fertile and easy to grow crops. The river served as means of transport. Second question, what are inscriptions? How do they help us know about ancient India? Answer, inscriptions are written records engraved on rocks, cave walls, metal pillars, walls of temples and palaces, and on clay and copper tablets. Very often, kings got the important events in their reign and their achievements inscribed so that people could read them. Emperor Ashoka of the Mauryan dynasty put up large number of inscriptions in different parts of his empire. Thus, inscriptions help us to know about the ancient India. Question number 3. How are coins a valuable source of information about ancient India? Answer. Coins are an extremely valuable source of information. They tell us about the reigning periods of kings, the economy of the kingdom, the extent of a king's empire, and about trade with other regions. Coins also tell us about the art and religion of earlier times. Question number 4. Write a short note on secular literature. Answer. Writings which are not religious are called secular literature. These include stories, poems, plays, biographies of kings, accounts of foreign travelers, and books on politics and science. The Arthashastra by Kautilya, the Indica by Megasthenes, the plays and poems of Kalidasa, the Sangam literature are some examples of secular literature written during the ancient period. Question number 5. Pottery is one of the most common finds in an excavation site. Why? Answer. The objects that human made in the past, such as pottery, are called artifacts. Pottery is created by humans using clay and other materials, shaping them into various forms. Pottery is one of the most common finds by archaeologists in the course of excavations. It provides valuable insight into past cultures, their daily life, technology, and artistic styles, and give us vital clues to the past. Now, question number 6. Why do you think rulers in ancient times recorded their victories on hard surfaces like rocks and pillars? Answer. Rulers in ancient times recorded their victories, achievements, important events in their reign on hard surfaces like rocks, pillars, walls, so that people could read them. Written records engraved on rocks, walls, pillars are called inscriptions. Kings engraved inscriptions in order to share their achievements, victories to future generations and make their impression long lasting and rememberable. Now we are done with all the question and answers. Thank you.